Hello guys, welcome to our thoughts. I am Avinash Pottipadu. I have started Jira crash course to QA testers. Guys, I am new to the teaching field, so please forgive me if anything goes wrong. Thanks. Guys, please subscribe and share. Let's start the content. Okay, so we are discussing about Jira, right? So, guys, Jira is an agile project management tool that supports any agile methodology. So, in agile methodology, we have a lot of frameworks like Scrum, Kanban, and we can create our own framework also. So, and some people have doubts like we should write code in Jira tool. Guys, so this is not a coding platform for any applications, web applications, mobile applications, or backend development. So it is completely non-coding platform, guys. It will manage the task to like it will completely manage the task tasks. So actually, before the Jira, before agile model, so everything is managed in the Excel sheets. Like see the FRS document, TRS document, like any test plans, test cases, test execution report, and bug life cycle document, and any RTM, a requirement traceability metric. So all these kind of documents is managed by like in Excel sheets. So this is very difficult to manage the all work, and so a lot of documents will come, and end of the day we will confuse in the merging part also. See, in a team like so, different people are there. So it is very difficult to manage the all test cases, and like it will manage very difficult to the all works. So that's why nowadays the agile model is very famous. So in the agile model, we have a lot of frameworks like Scrum, Kanban, and so we can create our own frameworks also. And so this thing, please remember this point, guys. So this is not a coding platform. It is only the task management tool. So in this tool, we can create like projects. We can create epics. We can create stories, bugs, and test cases, and we can um, do test execution, and we can generate burn down charts, burn up charts like reports. We can create reports, and we can create test cycles, releases. So everything, so we can manage in this project management tool, guys. So that's why the Jira is very famous nowadays. Almost 80 to 85% of the companies are using Jira tool. So come to the next point. So in the Scrum team, so we have a three major roles are there, guys. Because this point we should know, um, because so we should know who are working with us in company. So that way we should know these 3 points. Mainly three type of people work in Agile Scrum framework, guys. So one is a product owner, and developers and testers, and Scrum master. So let's we will elaborate like these three roles in detail, because before going to learn Jira, so you should know like who will work with you, and what are their roles. Then only so you can easily communicate with them. So as a tester, your responsibilities are like understanding the requirement, so creating the test cases, executing the test cases, rise the bugs, retesting, regression testing, smoke testing, build testing. Like so, these are the tester roles. So we know already about the testing. But as a tester, like you need to communicate with some people in your team, like developers, product owner, and Scrum master. So you should also know little bit about their roles, what they will do in your team. So I'll explore little bit, guys. Like, so product owner responsibility is like he will create like product vision, so product backlog management, like he will manage the all backlogs. Backlog means, guys, so epic and like stories, test, everything is backlog in Jira, guys. So if anyone create like product owner create the epics stories, like tester will create the test cases and bugs, and developer will create the like any tasks. So everything comes under backlog, guys. So he will manage the complete backlog things. So and requirement elicitation, guys. So he will like he can change the whatever necessary epics or stories. So he has like complete ownership of the product, guys, and he can create the like user stories and app acceptance criteria, and he will like he is the main responsibility is like release planning, like sprint planning meeting, like so backlog refinement, decision making, accept the work result. So these and communication between like Scrum team and various stakeholders like clients, so developers, testers, Scrum master, like so management. So he should communicate with them. So these are the main roles for the product owner, guys, and developers. So developers attend the meetings, understanding the requirement, design, development, bug fixes, unit testing, integration testing, and attend demos to the client. So these are the major roles for developer, guys. So attend meetings is like major meetings. We do have in Scrum methodology. We have four type of meetings, guys. One is a stand-up meeting, so it will conducted by the Scrum Master like every day. Uh, like every Scrum team has this. Stand-up meeting. So every member should attend definitely. So in this meeting, so they will explain like so what did you yesterday, what you are going to do today. So these points, and did you face any difficulties? Like uh, so we will discuss all these things in standard meeting, guys, and sprint planning meeting. So once epics are ready, once stories are ready, so the product owner will conduct the sprint planning meeting. So in this sprint planning meeting, like developers, testers, and product owner is definitely should be available. And once the sprint is completed, they will do like sprint review meeting and retrospective meeting. Once the sprint is done, the another sprint is started. So after second sprint started, so we will conduct one retrospective meeting on like a previous sprint, like the previous sprint goes went perfectly or not. So we will analyze the sprint one. So that is the retrospective meeting, guys. So we should know the meetings also. And Scrum Master. So Scrum Master is like facilitate the events, means like he will conduct the meetings and coaching and guiding the team. Like he will explain like agile principles and agile principles and uh, about agile methodology, and promote continuous improvement. Like if anyone lacking the working, so he will follow up them and to improve their work, and acting as a mediator between like various stakeholders like product owner, developers, clients. So he is like acting as a mediator, like facilitate a product backlog refinement with product owner. So if anything went wrong in the product backlog, so Scrum Master will connect with the product owner, and they will discuss, and they will completely refinement to product backloggers, and protecting some Scrum values and practices. Like the Scrum Master should be main person to follow the entire Scrum thing, guys. He is the main person to guide the each and every person in the team, like about Scrum methodology and Agile methodology, and generating reports also. So Scrum Master responsibility, guys. Like like burn down charts, burn up charts. So we have a different charts. We will see in the live sessions, guys. So these all are the activities performed in a Scrum team, guys. So you know these things like who did like who are working uh, the points if you know. So definitely you can easily manage with them, guys. See, for example, you raise a bug. So you don't need to think like whom should ask. Like you can directly ask to the developer because so you raise the bug, so you can connect with the developer the particular uh, bug fix. Then if you need any help from the product owner, you can connect with the product owner. If you need any help in Scrum process or Agile process, you can connect with the Scrum master. That's why you need to know the their roles and responsibilities in Scrum team. Hope you guys are very clear in Scrum process and their roles. And let's start like so we will create a Jira account free. So we will go to the main subject, guys. So to create free account, so I given here the two steps. Open the browser as and search Jira for free. So once you search the Jira for free, you will get this link, guys. Get Jira software free. So click this link and you will navigate to this URL like atlassian.com software Jira free URL. So the Jira is like uh, Jira is product of Atlassian, guys. So here you have a next button, guys. Please observe. So we have next button and you can I'll provide this link into the description. Please go to the description and create free account, guys. Click here the next button, guys. You will navigate to try cloud sign up page, guys. Okay, here you will get like email and your site, guys. So actually I created previously with this Gmail, that's why already it is taken. So sign in with different Atlassian account. I am clicking this, guys. So here the two options are there, guys. Like you can create account with by sign up, or you can create account with continue with Google, guys. So I am going to this option. Vinash Jira to at the day gmail.com. This is my email, guys. Click sign up. Then it will navigate to the next page. Like so they will send one verification mail to your Gmail, guys. So go to your Gmail. So you will get one verification mail. Click that mail. So click on verify your Gmail. So it will navigate to atlassian.com, guys. So here you will fill your name, guys. You know, and create password, guys. Create like small like easily remember password. So then click sign up, guys. So it will ask captcha. Some people like face difficulty with selecting the captcha. Before selecting the captcha, please read the heading, guys. Select all sequence with motor cycle. So your motor cycle is there. So click next. So again it is asking select the all squares traffic light, guys. So here one is there, here, here. So click verify. So again it is asking select the traffic lights. Click verify button. He's asking multiple times. Actually, you won't face this issue, guys. So after clearing the captcha, it will navigate to you this page, guys. So it will ask your site. Your site means your project or product URL, guys. So I am giving like orange HRM. It is a HR management tool, guys. So this site is already taken. So give any unique name, guys. So your site will display with this URL, guys. So click agree. You don't need to confuse and you don't need to worry about this step. So definitely here give one unique name. This is your site name, guys. See, site name means here the Atlassian.com try cloud sign up is there, right? So this is the URL of this page, and you will get like this URL like avinashara.atlassian.net. So I'll get that page if you create this. So click agree, guys. So it will ask some questions you can fill or you can skip these questions, guys. So it will ask what is your role. So you can select anything, guys. Like, you can skip the questions. If you want, you can select it, guys. So it will take some little bit time only. Then it will redirect to Jira dashboard, guys. So this account is entirely free, guys. They are providing like lifetime free. So you can manage like every activity. You can practice. So you can use practicing purpose, guys. And one more thing, please share URL in comment. So I'll give access because so I'll create a project in this account. I will create epics, I will create stories, and I'll create like test cases. So if you want to work with together, you can drop your email in comment box. I will give access. Then you can know the flow of the work. And please don't forget to the drop your email. I'll give the access, guys. So okay, now it is done, guys. See here, this is your site, guys, like avinashara.atlassian.net. So before we given the name, right? So it will navigate to this page, guys. So here we have already we know like we have a different frameworks, right? Kanban, Scrum, or business for collaboration for business teams, and we can create our own framework also. So as of now we are selecting Scrum, guys. So a lot of companies is are using Scrum methodology. Okay, so click next. So here the asking project name, guys. So project name, click and orange HRM. So click on create project. So you can click skip here. So it will navigate to you Jira dashboard, guys. So this is the process of creating like account in Jira, and we created project also, guys. So we completed this point, guys. Create free account. So navigate dashboard. I'll explain this point in next video, guys. So we will do this. Um, this point, guys. Create project. So here, otherwise, so we will complete the second point also. Like I'll give quick overview. In the next classes, I will give like um, complete overview. So navigate dashboard. Guys. See here, the Jira software logo is there. So whatever work assigned to you, so it will display and projects. So which are the projects you have access here, it will display, and so view all projects are there, and create project is option is there, and filters, so you can like search with the any test case, so you can use these filters, and dashboard, so view dashboards and create dashboards. So once the work is done, once the sprint is done, like uh, ongoing process, we can create the dashboards also. So then teams, guys, so these acts like in these options you will get like very limited options, guys, because this is like all options is available for product owner, so they will give to developer and testers, so what are the options they need, so they will give access that particular options only, guys, and like backlog board, like code, so they will give only limited access, guys. So we can invite the people, and please drop your email, guys. I will give access. Then you can uh, learn more, guys. And here the apps is there, so you can install any new apps, like new third-party apps. And here the create button is there, guys. So if you want to create any story, epic, test cases, so we will use this create button, and search box, guys. If you want to search anything, you can search here. So settings, and here if you want to log out, so some personal options are available. I will give like deep overview in next classes, guys. And here timeline, backlog, board, code, project pages, some shortcuts up there. So if you create any like epics, stories, test cases, if you create anything, so all are comes under to the backlog, guys. And this is the Scrum board, so we can know the like process of the work, so how many to do in how many in progress, how many are done, so we can know here, guys. And if you want to add some options here, you can click project settings, guys, and come little bit down, click on access, and issue types, click on issue types. Yes. Click on features, guys, click on features, come little bit down, so come little bit down, and activate releases, issue navigator, guys, and reports. So these three points you can activate. These 3 points will come here, guys, so we can navigate easily issues and reports and releases, we can manage here easily, guys. So this is the like quick overview actually. So in next classes we will go very deep, guys. And create project. So by default we created one project, right? So here, come to the click on the projects button, click on the create project. You can select which method you are going to select, guys. And please remember, this is completely responsible for the product owner, guys. You don't need to worry about that. He will create the project, he will create the epics, he will create the story points, then he will connect the like sprint planning meeting, then we will discuss on that. You will work on the testing tasks. Developer will work on the development tasks, guys. You don't need worry about these things. So for knowing purpose, I am explaining clearly, guys. So create Scrum, use this template, and scroll down, guys. Select team management. Here, click on the project name, guys. So I created previously RNHRM, right? You can select like Amazon. So you can select any project, guys. So for practicing purpose, I am providing here like this is generate automatically generate key. If you want to change, you can change, guys. So key means so you will know a little bit more in practical sessions. So we can this is the unique key, guys, for this entire project. So click on the next. Uh, Jira successfully created. Jira project successfully created, guys. So go to projects. Click on go to projects and click here. So you will find Amazon project also, guys. So if you want to see all projects, click on view all projects, guys. Here all projects are there. Okay. If you want to delete the project, you can click here, move to trash. Automatically it will delete in 30 to 60 days, guys. So move to trash, guys. You can delete. Okay. So thank you, guys, in this session. So I want to discuss only these 3 points. If you want, anyone want to Jira access, please drop your email in comment box, guys. So I'll give access, and in the next classes, I will give like I will create the entire project. Then you can easily access that project, and you can also working with together, guys. Okay. Thank you, guys. Please subscribe and share, guys, and hope this information is used to you. Thank you, guys. We will meet in our next class.